channel, guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, I make some green seasoning. I blend up all of this in my bullet. I have some onion, some scallion, thyme, and mint, guys, and I blend it up with some vinegar. So guys, I'm gonna put this in my freezer. So I'm gonna keep it in my freezer, guys. And so I'm gonna bag them up in these little bags. These little bag, guys. So I'm gonna bag them up in this bag. And then I'm gonna seal them in my freezer. So whenever time I want to cook, I just pull out one to season up my meat, guys. Because guys, I have a lot of scallion and time. Once you buy the time, they go bad quick. Everything go bad quick. So to make sure you don't waste stuff, guys, you could just blend up the stuff and keep them in your freezer. So there you go, guys. You just freeze everything and keep them in your freezer. So when you need it, you just pop out some from your freezer and use it, because things are so expensive these days. You don't want to waste anything. So when you do this, guys, even if you have cooker, you still have a little bit left, you can just put it down for another time. So I'm gonna put all of these in my freezer. Subscribe to my channel. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Continue to subscribe, continue to share, and help me grow, guys. Guys, I appreciate your subscribing. As I said, this is a good way to save your stuff. You buy your scallion and they're nice and fresh. You just grab some other seasoning that you use to cook with, blend them up in your bullet or your blender, and put them in the freezer. Save your money. You don't have to spend money over and over and losing money by with stuff spoiling. I wash everything, I clean the scallion, the onion, and I wash everything and the thyme and the mint. I wash everything and then I cut them up, put them in the bullet and blend it out. When you blend it up, I don't know, I tried to use a blender but it was too coarse. I just blend up everything in my bullet. It can't pass. Saving money, guys. Saving money. It is too expensive to waste money. So when you finish, guys, you just rinse off the bags. Rinse off the bags. And then you put them in another plastic bag or a plastic container like this one that I'm pouring from, and keep it in your freezer. Anything that you can save, guys, save. Once upon a time you get things cheap. Nope. Then it's done. Some hot sauce too, guys. My homemade hot sauce that I make, I put some of that in here also. So one of these days, guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my homemade hot sauce. I'm soaking some salt and pepper right now in vinegar. So I'm gonna, one of these days, guys, I'll blend it up so you see how I make my homemade hot sauce. Guys, I didn't even know they have bags this small. And these work perfect. Perfect. Guys, I hope you can see it. I don't know what's going on with my ring light. The ring light not acting, you know, I don't know. The ring light is not doing a good job. Guys, if you are still there, give me some love on this video. Guys, give me 100 likes. 100 likes. I need more likes on my videos, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. It's free to subscribe. This is not a major. You know, these are simple things, guys. I don't do major stuff on my channel. Just simple stuff. So subscribe, guys. Nothing fancy, nothing just simple stuff that I do. So subscribe, guys. If you come across this video, please subscribe and help me grow, guys. And dear guys, one of these days I'm gonna show you guys how I recycle. I love to recycle stuff, guys. If you can recycle instead of going out to buy something, I'm gonna show you guys how I recycle my spaghetti bottles. I'll do stuff, guys. I'm gonna show you how I recycle my spaghetti bottle, my tomato sauce bottles, and reuse them. Or you keep them, like say somebody come to your house and you want to give them something. You just pour it, you know, like, you know, soap, juice, whatever it is. You could just pour it in those bottles and give them. Some people might bring them back, some people might not. I know somebody probably gonna say why I'm using my hand. I'm doing this for my family. I'm not selling it. So I don't need no gloves. Some people like things like when they're in the house. True reality, guys, what I'm doing. Some people make it seem like they have to use gloves for everything. Well, that's not true reality. This is true reality. Once your hand is clean, you don't need no gloves. So there you go, guys. Nice. Oh, Lordy light. You are still here, guys. Please subscribe, comment. Even these little spoons coming with this measuring spoon. And like yes, guys. This bag hold 30, the box have 38 in it. Bags, so I'm gonna still have bags left over for another time. During this season gonna last me a long time. I think I would not be able to buy any more season for a long time. And it smells so good, guys. The time. Woo, guys. Well, guys, don't worry. I'm gonna rinse off the bag. So the thyme smells so good. I try to dry my thyme too, but the thyme don't. I don't know. When you dry the thyme, it don't carry the same smell. So I'm drying some thyme also. I'm drying some thyme and some mint. I'll show you guys the mint that I'm drying and the thyme. So we can make some homemade tea with the mint. These days it's all about preserve. I wash, and I'm gonna dry those time. Because it was too much times, guys. I could not put all of it in the seasoning. It was too much. Alright guys, I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so here you go, the seasoning. As I said, what I did, I wash everything, blend them up in my bullet, and so I'm gonna store these in my freezer. So this is green seasoning, onion, scallion, thyme, and mint, guys. So all of this, I'm gonna keep them in my freezer and freeze them. And so, guys, I'm gonna leave these bags out. I'm gonna dry them off first because I don't want them to stick together. So I'm gonna dry them off, let out some of the ear because they have ear in them. So let out the ear and just keep them in the freezer. So you put them flat in your freezer, guys. If you should make it, try to do them flat in the freezer. If not, you could leave them standing up because the bag might open. So you just do this with half a cup. So each of these say half a cup, guys. Half a cup, 1 cup. So this is 3/4 cup. All of them have different amount. So half a cup in this one. So if I'm doing some chicken, I just take out one of this and use it to season up my chicken. If I'm doing some fish, I just take out one and use it to season up the fish, just the same. So whatever you're making, you just use this to season up it. So this is all green seasoning made from scratch. So instead of going out to buy this, you could just buy your scallion, your thyme, and if you use mint, you can add ginger and garlic in it. When I don't have any garlic, I have ginger, but I didn't have the time to peel it, so I just go with these because I didn't want this to spoil, so I could still use the garlic and the ginger at a later date. And because I didn't want the scallion to spoil, and I have some onion was soaking in vinegar because I had a lot of onion and I soaked them in vinegar, and so I just blend up the onion with the scallion, the thyme, and the mint. And here you go, my style of green seasoning. It's not traditional. I make it the way I want to. And so guys, this is it. So guys, please comment and subscribe and share. If you watch the video to the end, leave me a red heart. If you leave me a red heart, I will know that you watch the video to the end. And so guys, I'm gonna show you how I wash my mint and my thyme, and I'm drying them right now. So let me show you guys. Yes guys, so right here I'm drying some mint. So when they dry, I'm gonna put it in a plastic container, and when I want some mint tea, or if I feel for tea, I will just take some of this and make my tea. Over here, that's the thyme. I have a lot of thyme, guys, so I'm gonna dry these also to cook with. So like if I make peas and rice or rice and peas, I can use it, or whatever I'm using it for. Whatever I'm cooking, I still can use that thyme that is dry. So guys, take care of yourself until next time, and please comment, subscribe, and share. And simple way of saving stuff so you don't waste stuff, guys. Things is too expensive to waste money, so save your stuff. You know, clean them, wash them up, cut them up, whatever you want to do, and put them in your freezer so you can use them at a later date. All right guys, take care of yourself, and remember, Jesus love you guys, and I do too.